Hello, children. Today I am not going to give you a long lecture, nor am I going to give you any therapeutic notes or nothing of that sort. Today, something new. Okay, let us have fun. Let us see what you remember as general knowledge regarding obs and gynec. So, I am going to give you few questions, a set of few questions, and that you write it down and write answers on your own. My next video will give you the answers. Okay, be honest and write down. Okay, so let us see. Come on, question number 1. Short question, MCQ type. Question 1. First secretion from the mammary glands after giving birth is known as dash. Second, milk secretion in mother actually starts on what day of postpartum? Milk secretion in mother actually starts on what day in postpartum period? Next question. Maintenance of lactation is also known as. Maintenance of lactation is also known as. Okay. Question 4. Which hormone is secreted from the pituitary and is responsible for milk in the breast? Which hormone is secreted from the pituitary and is responsible for milk in the breast? 5. Which hormone produced by placenta is responsible for inhibition of lactation? Which hormone produced by placenta is responsible for inhibition of lactation? 6th, development of sexual hairs is termed as what? Adrenarche, menarche, teenage or virilism? Development of sexual hairs is termed as what? उसके बाद an absolute state of inability to conceive is known as dash. પાછું બોલું છું. An absolute state of inability to conceive is known as dash. Ascites, infertility, sterility and intertrigo. You have to find out the right answer. यहाँ पे मैंने ऑप्शन दिए हैं आपको. Okay. Next. Function of Graafian follicles. You know where are the Graafian follicles? What is its function? Chalo, go back to your physiology, go back to the basics of obs and gynec, the reproductive system. So, function of Graafian follicles. A. Release of progesterone. B. Release of estrogen. C. Growth of ovum. D. Growth of endometrium. આ ચારમાંથી કયું ઓપ્શન છે? You have to find out. Next question. Ovulation occurs on dash day of the menstrual cycle. Ovulation occurs on dash day of menstrual cycle. 10th day, 28th day, 14th day or 20th day. Okay, I'm repeating. 10, 28, 14 કે 20 તારીખ કયા ટાઈમ પર ઓવ્યુલેશન થાય? Okay, next question. Enjoying na all of you? I hope so. I can imagine your faces. ક્લાસમાં આ લેક્ચર લેતી હો તો તમારા ચહેરા કેવા થઈ જાય, એકબીજાની સામે જોતા હશો. Yes, even I am missing you now. It is long time. Next question. Fertilization takes place at what part of the reproductive tract. Fertilization takes place at what part of the reproductive tract? It is the uterus, it is the ampullary part of the fallopian tubes, it is the fundus of the uterus, or at the ovaries. Next, trio of offensive discharges. Give trio of offensive discharges. Next, name 3 leading drugs for preeclampsia. Name 3 leading drugs for preeclampsia. Name 3 leading drugs for eclampsia. What are the 3 leading drugs for eclampsia? Okay. Next question, question number 14. 3 leading drugs for fibroid. 3 leading drugs for fibroid. And lastly, 3 leading drugs for iron deficiency anemia in pregnancy. 3 leading drugs for iron deficiency anemia in pregnancy. These all questions are normally very important for your general knowledge also. You being a medical student and future doctors, this is something which you should know always. And I have taken out such questions and tried to put it. Let us see if you can do it. Write it down, make your own think about it, and try to recollect your general knowledge, your physiology knowledge, and your basic knowledge of OBG. And in my next lecture, I am going to give you the answers. It was something different because I know you also must be getting fed up of hearing and looking at us all the time. So I thought, let me do something different. Yes, my next lectures are going to come, but this will be immediately followed by answer up to these questions. Okay, all the best.